Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. For example, if you try to use cellular data on your iPhone and you see this kind of error on your iPhone that an update is required to use cellular data on your iPhone. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing the page, you have to simply go for the first step. The first step is that you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And for this, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again. And the next thing you have to check is you have to make sure that you have connected a proper SIM on your iPhone, and you have to check whether your SIM is connected properly attached to your iPhone. And if you have not installed a physical SIM, you can also use an eSIM on your iPhone, and you have to simply check all the detail that you have a proper SIM to use mobile data. And if you have already connected a SIM and it is working properly, then how you can fix that error? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down and you have to click on general, and after that you have to simply click on software update. And after clicking on software update, you have to make sure that you have the latest iOS update. And after checking for update, you have to simply go back, and again you have to go to setting, and after that you have to go to general, and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset, and here what you have to do, you have to simply reset network settings. And after resetting your network setting, you have to simply go back and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to Apple support and ask the solution of the problem. And if they do not provide any solution for that, then you can also go for the Apple discussion, and you have to check whether you are facing the problem or other iPhone user also facing the problem, and you can simply get the solution from any of the iPhone user which have solved this error. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.